yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand, but I toast for the friends that take off with me load. One time they sit down in a class and report that only set the road and me go on with the road. Third for me say me try a thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic I sing, yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring like hello brother. You say I just shot you, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. With me the butter pass through your soul. You can't fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand, but I go to the friends where they go below. One time they sit down in a class and we pour them only set the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's how our blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the glory. I'm in delighted. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. God the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, this is blessings fall by my right hand, but I toast for the friends that take off the load. One time they sit down in a class and we pour them only set the road and we go on with the road.
real, you know that. Got you been with your friend, you ain't even had been like you know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control them, so the pace if I go back. All this ass for real. I'ma make you feel as if we ever been. It's all I can give you. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, cause I like the way you groove. Oh, darling. Boy, you're right to me, I can do the same. Ooh, I love the taste. Oh, la, 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 la. I love my tongue, I want it. Boy, you're right to me, I can do the same. Ooh, I love the taste. Oh, la, 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 la. I love my tongue, I want it.
Kind of like affirmations for myself, like making every day count, it's your time to shine, expect better, and enlighten.
Really upgrading my home. That's why I put luxury here. On the top here, you're gonna see the letters to say BAG, because I'm in my bag.
Being creative as well, like I'd rather just have more or do more than just under.
Yeah.
You know, so my whole space was filled with just different things. I have a lot of different sayings on here. I never gave up on love, banish the basic, handpicked for success. My word was opulence for the year, so that's where we're gonna stick with. The softer side, you know, soft life, that's a little trend or whatever. Down here is more so about money. Selective focus when it comes to content, because I want to start working more on being a content creator. Kill 99% of the haters.
Oh, period.
That's what that's about. Finish strong. I knew you had that on there too. So yeah, just little reminders. That's my vision for 2024.
I love it. So what's this word under Gucci? What does that say?
Oh,
Are you
this is bitch.
that bitch?
I'm Gucci bitch.
Oh!